Breaking development being reported from the national capital in the police's probe into the Markaz event, where the Delhi police, we are getting to know, is tracking 16 different mobile phone numbers belonging to 6 close associates and relatives of Maulana Saad. Shravan has more details with him. Can you share them with us? What are the updates?
Well, a full-fledged investigation is now being carried out not just by the Delhi Police Crime Branch, but also the Enforcement Directorate and the Income Tax Department. Remember, this details that we are picking up comes just 2 days after raids that were carried out in Shamli, at a private property of Maulana Saad. Now, these are the details that we are picking up, that 16 mobile phones are now being tracked by the Delhi Police Crime Branch. These mobile numbers belong to 6 close associates and relatives of Maulana Saad. Not just that, 11 bank accounts that have been linked to members of Markaz, they too is now basically under the scanner for suspicious transactions. Sources are also suggesting that apart from the 11 bank accounts, they are also looking at direct bank accounts of Markaz employees. In fact, we have also picked up details with regards to who perhaps was taking care of the funds of Markaz. And that is something that one will have to look into, because this is going to raise some serious questions on how Maulana Saad was running the Markaz itself. It is 3 of his sons, Mohammad Yusuf, Mohammad Saeed and Mohammad Ilyas. These are 3 sons of Maulana Saad, who are basically running the finances of, or rather taking care of the finances of Markaz. Apart from that, we are being told that 2 other employees are now under the scanner of of Delhi Police Crime Branch, that is Haji Mohammad Yunus and Maulana Mufti Shehzad.
Any more details when it comes to the funding of the Markaz being shared, whether it was foreign funding that was involved or local funding, anything to that effect?
As far as funding is concerned, remember, both, be it domestic as well as foreign, they are basically under the scanner. That is the reason why the Enforcement Directorate has already filed a money laundering case under the PMLA sections against Maulana Saad as well as Markaz in itself. In fact, as far as the Enforcement Directorate investigation goes, Amrita, there are over about 5 to 6 people who have already been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. As of now, Maulana Saad hasn't been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, but it's only a matter of time before he is also called in for questioning. But what we are certainly picking up is that Delhi Police Crime Branch, they have basically witnessed that certain spike in bank accounts that have been linked to close associates of Maulana Saad. And these details of the bank accounts have already been shared with the Income Tax Department as well as the Enforcement Directorate.
All right, Shravan, thanks very much for those details. So close aides of Maulana Saad are now under investigation, especially their phone numbers that is being traced and tracked by the Delhi police. Thank you very much.